Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about hidden fields in Cypress. How to handle our hidden elements by using our Cypress. See what is exactly hidden fields? Hidden fields is nothing but a simple example I'm going to take for this Amazon website. We can see here there is a hello colon sign in account and lease, right? If I mouse over is completely outside, then you are not able to see that particular pop-up, right? When you mouse over, then you can see there is a sign in button, right? It is not under visible, it is inside this particular drop down. Okay, how we can able to handle this kind of actions, how we can able to invoke our Cypress code inside this without mouse overing, like when we want to do for some automation side for using Java Selenium, Java Python, that moment we can able to use it. There are actions move to the element, then we need to click for that particular element whenever it is overrun, right? But Cypress don't have that kind of options, but we can able to invoke our Cypress without mouse over also, because of this hidden fields value we can able to achieve by using our Cypress itself. No need to do some any action also. Okay, how we can able to achieve this kind of approaches? Simply I'm going to here and we can able to create for describe is our suit. I'm going to mention for hidden and I'm going to create it for function, and then we can able to create for test case. For test case indication, IT field we are going to use verify hidden elements or hidden fields. We can able to mention anything is okay, and I'm going to do it here. Now we need to go for Amazon website. We can able to use it for visit. Okay, then inside that we can specify our URL, that is amazon.in. Okay, this is a website I'm going to mention. Okay, once we website we mentioned, then we need to check that particular website where exactly it is presented. Okay, where exactly it is presented. How to check it? Then we can able to go to here that particular place and inspect our location where there is any thing is presented. Okay, we have there is a dev tag. When you mouse over, you can see hello, it will highlight. Okay, when I mouse over into that particular place, you can able to see dev dot nav hyphen line one container. That is a one class we can able to see. And also if you want some other also, like we can check whether anything is presented for parent place. Here is a navi tool also presented. Okay, we can able to use anyone and we can able to click for this. Okay, now I'm going to take it first one, which is a class dev class is presented. This one Navi line one container, because it is inside this line sign. Okay, I'm going to take this particular path. Okay, then I'm going to use it for cy.get. I'm going to mention for uh, dot dot indicates for class name, and we have a method called invoke. Invoke is a method to invoking that particular place, and we can able to mention for show. Show is nothing but we can say this particular having what all the things are hidden fields, that all the things it will go on show. Okay, once we are showing, we can say there is a sign in. What we need to click exactly after it is showing means mouse over, and once we mouse over in this particular place, invoke is a method to invoking that particular this pop-up place. Once it is comes here, it will everything, it will be backend. Okay, once it is coming, it is showing like This all the contains information. What all the contains information is presented, those all the things it will show. And even you can able to see here, once you can able to, here the span it is class having sign in. Okay, if you go top also, we can able to having a dev id. This dev id navi flyout y sign in is also one dev id. Even directly we can able to use it, or else we can able to use it for show invocation. Show invocation, whenever it is show means it will comes here, it will open inside that the pop-up, it will goes back end only, we will not see. And once it is showing that what are the things it is presented, all the links it will show. And we need to choose sign in. This is our container. Okay, sign in content. This we need to check. Okay, how to click, then after showing our Selenium, like Cypress one, it will invoke up to showcase. Then once it is showcased, then we can able to use Cypress dot contains method. It will checks it is what all the things are present here, right? Everything it will capture and it will store into that inside that. What exactly we need to verify after container? It will contains that all the information about this, your account, your order, your wish list, your recommendation, primary, this all the things it will be contains inside that. Okay. Once we pass into this particular sign in, then it will check that whether this Cypress one is having all the information or not. Okay. Once it is there, means once we find the sign in, then you can able to click action. Okay, this is the one we need to do it. See whether we can able to execute or not. Okay, npx cypress, I'm going to open. It will open our Cypress. We need to choose end-to-end and Chrome. And now here is hidden elements. Okay, once we run that one, once we click, it will run automatically, and we can see that actions whether it is able to do or not. Okay, post method happen and the header is presented and it is searching for the element. See now mouse it is shown. Can log in, it is we can able to see, right? Sign in, we can able to see, but it is not click sign in. Why it is not click sign in means we can able to see here there is a error message contains this element a dot navi action button is not visible because it is a parent. First it is saying that that is a parent, and also css property it is saying that display none. Okay, if you want to click this kind of buttons and you have to use it inside a click button, click action, there is a force colon true. Means in our code we need to use in this place, we need to copy paste those lines like braces force colon true. Once you mention this one, what will happen? Which is not a display. Means we are doing some operation, but it is a hidden type, right? Hidden type of values. Invoke method is basically invoking those things, and it is checks that all the information which is a pop-up comes. Okay, and after that this contains it is checking that that particular show method gets all the content related to that particular sign in. Once it is getting, we need to click it because it is in hidden value. To click normal method it is not working, then we need to use it for force colon true, then only it will forcefully click. Once I save, if you go to here now, we can see for login page. See now it is invoked and even we are in login page. Okay, even same action we can able to do it here also. See, This is another kind of action type. This all the things this invokes basically it will do for hidden values also we can able to do it. And also we can able to directly that particular login button is there, right? Mouse over in this place we can able to get the button and right click, take inspect value, and we are in a particular place. We can able to take for exactly this class navi action in whether it is presented single or multiple values. First we need to check four values there, then it is not useful for us. Then we can able to go top little bit and we have another one. There is a dev. Okay, take this dev also. You can whether it is single or two is there, then it is also not required because it will not accept it. Even you can see two values means we can able to, otherwise we need to mention for whether this is the single value is presented or not. And this particular button you can second this also we can check single or not two again, right? Then we can able to use any single value that is our class is presented in this particular one. We can able to inspect that value and we can able to take it for this navi one, navi line container one. Then we can able to use it show method. We can able to click for our hidden value. That's all about this video. I hope you understand this video. Please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.